Hello, collective. So, I'm just a messenger. I let spirit come through me with any kind of message that they wish to deliver to us at this point in time. And today, as I sat down, I felt like doing a general reading. So it's not a pick a card where you choose one pile and there are specific messages, but it's a general message for the collective. And I felt like today the nature spirits wanted to come to you, and they're not here so much with advice. I don't know what the message is so far, but I'll tell you what I see in the cards. The nature spirit is pointing me towards the relationship we have with nature. Now, as I say this, in the current scenario that we live in, it might seem like it will automatically point towards something negative, how we are polluting nature, destroying nature, how the relationship between us and nature, the environment, has lost its equilibrium. And I think we'll get to that at one point, but right now, without any judgment, without any sense of right or wrong, I am being pointed towards different relationships that we have currently established with nature. When you want to feel calm, when you want to meditate, when you want to go within, you seek the solitude of a forest. You seek the gargling water. You have lost touch with the giant oaks, so you seek to control nature in small pots in your home. You use water to purify your home, taking it for granted. You tend to the gardens, you eat the fruits, you smell the flowers, you dance with the butterflies, without realizing the synchronicity, that's the word's coming in, I'm not sure. But yeah, harmony and synchronicity that you have with nature. All is perhaps lost because your mind and heart was diverted from nature. I think I'll cry if I continue with this message. This reading is going towards how we have destroyed our relationship with nature and is pointing ultimately towards global warming and climate change. Nature, I'll tell you the messages like from the oracle cards. It says, the first card that came out was a time for healing. The next was a fiery climax approaches. A win-win outcome is forecast. It's time to take action. Conclusions are within reach. A time for healing. Nature is asking us to heal the planet. The consequences otherwise would be dire. However, it's a gentle but firm push towards taking meaningful, substantial action towards combating climate change. The card says a win-win outcome is forecast. Conclusions are within our reach. That is, solutions are within our reach. Nature is resilient. Nature is adaptable. Nature is forever changing. It can adapt. But can we adapt into believing that a coexistence between the different myriads of species that exists with us and the human race is a coexistence possible. Who are we tipping the scale against if we say it is not possible? Will they go extinct or will we go extinct? Nature is gently but firmly guiding us towards taking substantial action in our own ways. Right now, if you can just talk to somebody else about the impacts of it, because even before I started this reading, the card communication is key coming keeps coming up. So right now, if all you can do is educate yourself and educate two other people around you regarding the adverse effects of climate change, even that matters. The ripple effect matters. The ripple effect of your words and your actions will matter in the long run. No action is small enough in this moment. Finally, I want us, as this reading closes towards an end, I want to encourage everybody to sit for a moment and reflect on what we just experienced. Whether you believe in magic in what I do or not, my words, what I just said, still stands true. Global warming, climate change is a real threat that we are facing in the moment. And if you believe in what I do, then reflect on how nature spirits, they hold the power to annihilate us in a moment, are coming through in a gentle manner to remind us of our oneness, that we belong together. They are coming to us to help us exist. They can exist without us, we cannot. Yet they are reaching out a gentle, loving hand towards us to do the minimal that we can do for this planet. I would love for you all to reflect on what that means for all of us. Finally, this card that I came out, fulfillment. The guidebook for this says, I am the guardian of wild grasses. I love roaming free. Come run with me. Come to enjoy the breeze amongst the grass and the wildflowers. Behold such easy beauty, everywhere such splendor. I am extremely fertile, the principle of pollination. I take up residence in the wild. This is the spirit talking. You can smell me when you are in nature. My scent is pungent and revitalizing. Okay, so the nature spirits, they don't want me to stop, so I will continue for a bit. They say, believe in the impossible. Nothing is yet set in stone. They are pointing us towards the power of community. What seems impossible alone becomes possible with a loving hand of a community. To whoever is watching this video, this audio, listening to this audio, though that this is coming from them, the world believes in you. Forces beyond your perception believes in each and every one of you and your potential in taking action. Show the world the real you. And when this journey seems too much or too impossible, come rest with me. Come find the sound of the gargling water again. Come find the swing in nature. Come find your roots again. Come take time to breathe out with me again.